Okay, so it's the cheapest pizza I could get. La Pizza. It's around $5, $4.50, something like that. Because the thick crust is still around $8, and that's quite a bit. $7.50, $8. So this pizza, it will hold me for lunch. I'll see how it is today, and I'll buy more next week. This Delicia pizza they have is around $7.50, $8, and that's a lot. For lunch, though, I could eat the whole pizza. So I could buy a whole pizza per day, and that'll work out. All that on there. Pizza is pretty expensive now too. You have to be working full time to buy the $8 pizza. But for $5, that'll work out for me. So see how it does. Plus it's got meat on it, so you set this. This I always have to unplug because it says here keep door closed and unplug power cords. So takes a while to cook, but it's definitely useful to have a toaster oven, even a smaller one. You cannot do pizza in a smaller one, but thanks for watching. December 2019 RM. End of December. Well, pizza is ready. So it only took about 10-15 minutes. You can make it darker if you need to. So, toaster oven works really well. Ang pizza mnie kosztowała chyba mniej od 5 $, może 4,5. I niektóre pizze są drogie, to trzeba robić na full time, to dosyć drogie inne pizze są, a taka może być dobra. Zobaczymy jak będzie. So we'll see how it's going to be, because other pizzas are pretty expensive. I speak Polish, by the way. Fly. Don't know where my pizza cutter is. Might have to find another one. Because other pizzas are pretty expensive. $7, $8 for the Delicia pizza and other brands like that. or usually they have the thin crust, which is a little bit cheaper. This one is kind of in between it, thin and thick. So it looks pretty good. See if I can give it a quick taste. Not too hot. You usually have to put extra toppings on, because they tend to skimp on toppings, but this one looks okay. You might want to put a little bit extra cheese on if you want to, but then your budget goes up. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you bite it, don't put your bitten pizza back in with the other pizzas, because that's not good. Just keep it on another plate or keep it to the side if they want you eat. Thanks for watching. Pizza kind of looks like Pac-Man. End of December, so I'll probably buy more of these for January instead of sausage. Every month sausage is not too good for you, so I'll try to do something different each month or every couple weeks. Thanks for watching. And that's how you stay in budget, and yeah, it works out, and go for it. So I cut it into smaller pieces, and for the price, the crust is pretty good. I know, like pizzeria, they tend to make extra large slices. New York, I've seen, or Boston or whatever, they make those giant slices, and that's a gimmick, but for home, small pizza is good, or mini pizza. And that just gets people into the stores so they could buy pizza there. Then you have to carry the pizza home if you buy it from them, so you could only drive. So it's pretty much a survival food. For me anyway. I don't know about you guys, but I think it is. But I don't know if we could have it as when power is out, but for everyday food I think that's pretty good. For power out survival food, you might have to do probably canned food or something. I wouldn't buy MRE because they're too expensive. Yeah, so I consider pizza survival food. Do you? Let me know. Unless you're full time, then you could buy those larger, more expensive pizzas, $8, $10. But then you have to be a kind of full-time worker for that stuff. So it adds up at the end of the week, and it gets pretty expensive. Kind of takes out buying bread, so that's kind of good. Thanks for watching. Let me know below if you consider pizza to be survival food. Thanks for watching.